ProGen. Engineered to perform and designed to wow. Amazingly durable, resisting denting and scratching, no matter what room it's in, or what life, or a kid or two, throws at it. ProGen takes waterproofing to the next level, even under, extremes. It won't warp even under extreme exposure to water or sunlight. So it's perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, or basements, or wherever life may overflow.
Hey, buddy.
Create DIY floors that wow with ProGen. Easy breezy, so you have time to do even more of your to-dos. And whatever your style, ProGen has lots of choices and flexibility to create the designs you want, from classic looks to something a little bit more adventurous. ProGen, next generation performance for modern life.